So I know I look a little rough, excuse my hair. I will be posting a tutorial on how to do this look, but y'all, I am starting to post little mini tutorials for y'all because I'll be having a lot of people asking how I do certain stuff. A lot of people aren't able to physically come to me, so why not give y'all tutorials. My first virtual tutorial will be how to create those body waves, the little ocean waves in hair. All my tutorials will be $15, so it's still very price friendly. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorials that I'm about to drop, and y'all, we in there. And look, when it comes to these videos, I'm gonna give y'all the raw, I'm gonna give y'all the details, I'm gonna give y'all the tips, and then y'all still have access to me to ask questions. I'm not about to be getting done up to get on camera, because this is how I be doing hair. This is how I make my coin. I don't have time. Look at my nails. Look at my nails. Yeah, I will be dropping these tutorials for y'all so y'all can increase y'all business, increase y'all services, you know, little upsell or whatever, you know. So thank you guys in advance for the support, and look forward to teaching y'all. And also, I do have a knotless braiding course, a knotless one-on-one braiding course that I will be giving y'all. And then also I will be having a virtual class for that soon. I'm just trying to get everything in order for the virtual class, because I ain't gonna lie, making these videos is kind of really tedious. You got to set up the angles and stuff, right? So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I will be dropping that soon, so make sure y'all look out for that. So thank you guys in advance for the support, and deuces.